So let's talk about how you can erase cookies from the iPhone, and let's get into it. So just open up the settings, and entirely at the bottom we have the apps section, part of which you can search for the individual apps, and it's all sorted alphabetically, so you can as well go through the letters and find S for Safari. Once you get inside, you can manage the settings, which includes cookies as well. Now, you can scroll through the options like that, set up all of the options if you wish, but the first way would be to clear history and website data. That would erase all of the data, which, as you can see, it's not only history, it's also other data. That includes the cookies and all of the other stuff which, has something to do with it. So that's like one way to erase that. But also entirely at the bottom, you have the advanced section. And when you click on advanced, there is the toggle for blocking all the cookies. And this is another thing which you might be interested in. So just make sure you enable it, and from now on your Safari will block those, and also you've just erased the history and all of the data, so you have a complete fresh start with that, and you can just browse your internet as you please. So that's gonna be about it for me. I honestly hope that I can help you with this issue. Let me know what you think below, and I'll catch you later.